Are you struggling to lose fat? Losing fat is not complicated, but without a proper plan it can get frustrating. We want to lose fat in the fastest and easiest way possible. We often hope on those trendy challenges and so-called cleanse that guarantee unrealistic results in a matter of few days. Even though you may lose weight on the scale, but it is not all fat loss. After those trends you will find yourself gaining all that back, even when you are eating reasonable amount of calories. These trends are not sustainable over a long period of time. Commitment and consistency is essential for achieving results, but you need a plan to commit to. Calorie deficit works for fat loss, but without a proper plan it can get frustrating to lose that stubborn fat in specific areas. Without a proper approach, fat loss routine comes at a cost. After a while, your metabolism will adjust to the decreased calorie intake, and you will find that it becomes impossible to lose that last few inches of fat. Increasing the calorie deficit to extreme will lead to other problems. You will find yourself hungry all the time, as if you are starving. You will become more cranky and moody. You will have low energy to perform your daily task, and it will become harder and harder to concentrate and focus. This makes your routine less sustainable, and you are more likely to quit. You will hesitate to start again as the whole process seems like a punishment. You will think only if there was a way to target fat loss without compromising on your daily routine. There is a difference between weight loss and fat loss. What we should focus on is fat loss, whilst maintaining our muscle mass. This helps us achieve a well-toned physique. If you relate to this, then you are not the only one. I have been there, and I am sure that majority of the people trying to lose fat have been there as well. I found out that there is a proper approach that targets fat loss while maintaining your muscle mass and also does not compromise on your daily activities. In fact, I found that I had more boost in my energy and was able to concentrate and focus better on other tasks, all while losing fat. It was challenging at first, but as I got adjusted with my plan, there was no stopping then. A proper plan was all I needed to lose fat more effectively and sustainably. I lost fat by utilizing it as an energy source, not just for my workouts, but for all my daily activities. Losing those last few inches of stubborn fat was not an issue then. I can't wait to share the exact blueprint of how I transformed myself. And just to make it more clear, I am not sharing some magic meal plan that worked on me. Every one of us is different and have different requirements. Here, I will share a complete guide that will help you at each and every step of your journey. It will help you make a plan that is best suited for you. I will also share my recommendations and tips to make your plan perfect. Trust me, it is not as complicated as you think. All it takes is a few minutes. Read more about my story and start your fat loss journey today.